The impossible has happened. History has been written right here in High Point, North Carolina. Not only did the Lady Panthers walk away victorious against Longwood 59-53, claiming the Big South Championship and entering the NCAA tournament, but the men had a comeback for the ages. Winthrop led by 15 points in the first half. High Point University, they scored 52 points in the second half, capping off an unbelievable comeback in dramatic fashion, defeating Winthrop 81-69 and stamping HPU's ticket to the Panthers' first ever March Madness bracket appearance in High Point men's basketball history and being crowned Big South champions, men and women. Stay right here for updates and highlights all throughout March Madness. Go High Point! Let's go Panthers! Like, comment, and subscribe.